How to find MoonPay Transaction ID, MoonPay TxID tutorial. To find your MoonPay Transaction ID, what you can do is you can try to check the email from MoonPay, because MoonPay usually sends a confirmation email, so you can check your confirmation email from MoonPay. The second thing we can try to do is to launch the MoonPay app and tap on the activity icon, which is located from the very top right hand side of the screen. Then you can select that specific transaction you need to view its unique transaction ID details, or alternatively you can also use the MoonPay web dashboard and click the gear or settings icon and log in with your email code and open trade activity to view or export a CSV containing your transaction IDs. But normally within even the activity history, if you select that particular transaction, you should be able to find the transaction ID. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.